Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to update all your Android apps at once. Keeping your Android device's applications up to date ensures you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security enhancements. In this video, we'll show you a quick and easy way to streamline the update process and keep your Android device running smoothly. So, let's dive right in and learn how to update all your apps with just a few taps. Ready? Let's get started. Thanks for watching. If you found this tech tutorial helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Got questions or suggestions? Leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you.